What's going on, guys? This is Robert. I've got a lesson on sweeping arpeggios. How's it going, everybody? I'm going to do a lesson today on arpeggios. And this is going to have another, multiple parts to it. So this is going to be part one. And I got asked by someone if I would do a lesson on arpeggios. So I'm just going to kind of do, sweeping, string skipping. And a lot of arpeggios, I alternate pick a lot of them. So that'll be in there, too, with everything. But I'm just going to start off with kind of the most basic. I mean, there's 2-string arpeggios, but this is just 3-string, and this is what I first learned how to sweep. And I'm just going to show you these 3 shapes, and hopefully they help you guys and everything. And if you don't know what an arpeggio is, it's the notes of a chord played separately. So just if you took a D chord and you spread it out, so you have your, so you can get that A down here. So you would just play it like this. Okay, so that's a D major arpeggio. You just took that chord and then you just play the notes individually. And just once you get the hang of sweep picking, it's a lot easier. I'm not super good at sweep picking. It's definitely the worst as far as picking techniques that I have. Horrible at 6-string ones, so I'm really working on those a lot. I want to use, probably the most advanced one's going to be some 6-string sweeping arpeggios. But let me play the lick that I'm going to be playing for you. It's going to be 3 different arpeggios, 2 majors. So these are all 3 strings. So you're going to have a C major arpeggio. Then you're going to move up to the D major. And the last one's going to be an E minor. And this is like a super common progression for these arpeggios and everything. And you can do it backwards once you get the way that I'm going to show you down. Try it backwards, try doing them in different orders and everything, and it'll sound real cool. And I'll also do a real close-up of my picking hand, because the most important thing of sweep picking is obviously the picking. So yeah, so let me play that up to speed real quick, and then I'll break it down and show you the notes and put tabs in the video and everything. So here's what it sounds like fast. Okay, so the first part that I'm going to show you is the notes. So the first one is a C major arpeggio, and what you've got is on the G string you've got 12th fret, then you go to the B and you've got the 13th fret, then you're going to go to the 12th fret high E, and then 15 pull off 12, and then you go to the 13th fret on the B, and then 12 on the G. Okay, and the picking for this one, like I said, I'll do a close-up of my hand here in a second, but right now the picking is a downstroke, a downstroke, then you do another down. Okay, but then you can do up on that pull-off, and then up on the 13th fret on the B, and then when you go back to that 12th fret, you're on a down again. So you go down, 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 up, down. Okay, so then the next one is that D major. And that one goes like this. You're on the 14th fret on the G. Then you go 15th fret on the B. And 14th fret on the high E. Then you're going to go to the 17th fret and do a pull off back to the 14th. Then you go back to the 15th on the B. And you're on the 14th on the G. Okay, and that's the same as far as picking goes. It goes down, 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 then up, down. So far we have okay, and I think I do each one 4 times. Let me see. Yeah, so play each one of these 4 times. Okay, and the last arpeggio involved in it is the E minor arpeggio. And that one starts on the 16th fret on the G. And then you're going to go to the 17th on the B. Then 15th on the high E. Then you're going to go to the 19th fret and do a pull off back to the 15th. And then hit the 17th fret on the B. And then you're back on your 16 on your G. And again, the picking is down, 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 up, pull off, up, down. Okay, and then the last part is you just go back to that D major arpeggio after you get done with your E minor. Okay, so the whole thing slow sounds like this. Okay guys, here's a close-up of the picking. Okay everybody, I hope that one helped you guys and everything. Like I said, you got C major, D major, E minor, and that's just going to be part 1. Part 2, I want to do some string skipping stuff. And also, Richie Kotzen does some real cool... I can't play it right now, I'm not warmed up enough. But some real cool arpeggios, and I'd like to throw some of those in there too. And like I said, some 6-string arpeggios, and I think the part 2 of this lesson will be those same arpeggios, but I think I'm going to do the 5-string versions of them. So, you know, if you think that's a cool idea or whatever, just leave a comment saying that you would like to see that and everything. But yeah, you know, I got the Legato lesson part 2 on the way. I got the licks already and everything, so... You know, hopefully you guys will check those out too, and this video, and if you get a chance, subscribe to my channel and everything, and just make sure that you leave me a comment saying that you did subscribe, so I can subscribe back to you, because I really like watching everybody's videos and everything, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching mine too, so, you know, make sure you check out Fret 12 as always. But, you know, see you guys for the next video. Peace with two fingers.